Ay nalagi pagkusok. Smile. Psst. Let.
Okay na. Hi guys, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. Muling nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod, Nico Daelo, your trainer and facilitator for the day. Ayan po guys, ay pupunta po tayo sa sa bangko. Kasi kukunin po natin guys yung ating first sahod guys ha. Kaya abangan nyo guys kung magkano po yung ating sahod yan ha. Kung kayo po ay bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-bell all upang kayo po ay magiging updated po sa lahat po nating upload ha. Yan, so tara na guys. Ito po guys, nandito na po tayo guys ha, nandito na po tayo sa ating yan. Tingnan natin ngayon guys ha kung magkano po yung ating mawi-withdraw ha. Ito na po guys. Nandito na po tayo guys ha. Nandito na si Mrs. Ate, di mo lang ka ate. Yan po. Tignan natin ngayon ha kung magkano kaya yung ating sahod. Nandito po tayo guys. Yan po yung motor natin guys. Ha? Diyan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Guys, excited po tayo guys ha.
Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
We're
gonna be two hearts running wild.
Excited po tayo guys. Excited po tayo guys. Yan po yung baby natin.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
Hi guys, nandito na po tayo ngayon guys ha. Yan, tignan po natin guys kung magkano po yung ating na-withdraw ha. So ngayon po ninyo malalaman guys yung first sahod natin ha. Excited na ba kayo dyan? Kasi excited kami guys na malaman yung ating sahod ha. At least sa wakas guys, yung pinakahintay natin guys, nandito na po talaga yung magsahod na tayo. Yan, ito na po guys. Yan, bigyan mo sa akin magkano? Isa-isa lang. Isa-isa ba? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 na tig 5 piso guys. So, magkano kaya guys? So, yun po guys. Kayo na po ang ano dyan na magkwenta. Yan. So, ulitin ko po, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta po sa ating YouTube channel. At sa muli na naman nating vlog guys. Bye-bye!
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.